Reaching out your finger.
We don't know gun safety.
Like that.
You finding your limits?
Yep.
Now point it at Jacob. Do it again. I didn't get the whole thing. I was on pause. Nice.
On YouTube.
No fear. Yeah. Use the wrist. It's all on the wrist. You got a little excited there. Eat it, man. Wait.
It
Yeah.
was literally
Okay.
plastic.
Wait, no, there's no BB in your hand. Come on. Eat it.
Mold release.
Eat one. Show it.
It's literally covered.
Oh shit, he did.
He has a pearl.
What?
There's literally
No, I threw it away.
Oh.
Fuck up my stomach.
Carry
Carriers
yours
more
like
than it
Thunder
already
Kid.
is.
Well,
fucked up.
I mean, the babies look kind of tasty, so I figured.
Fuck up.
Okay.
It tastes like water.
It tastes like water?
Tastes like juice.
What kind of juice do you drink?
I said juice.
There you go.
Wait, we did that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Oh
did.
shit, I thought it was just already fucked.
No, we did that.
We can break skin with these things.
Let's do it.
No.
No balls.
No balls, man.
But yeah,
Show me the
we
dick.
fucked it up, boys.
Should we go for the glory kill?
Yeah. Glory kill.
Ugh.
Now you get to go run around again.